Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm doing another classic Adidas shoe. This is the Adidas Continental 80 in the off-white and scarlet colorway. These retail for $80, but you can get them at the time of recording this video for $56 on their website, which is the price that I copped them for. So anyways, let's get the box open. So there it is, the minimalist Continental 80. Let's get them both out here. Quick background, the Continental 80 was a tennis shoe originally released in the late 80s and was just called the Continental. Unfortunately, it did not sell as well as Adidas hoped, and it was phased out a few years later. Then recently, it was re-released in 2018 and renamed the Continental 80. It released around the same time the Yeezy Calabasas Power Phase was released, which was perfect because it made the Continental 80 a cheaper alternative to the Calabasas. And well, the shoe really took off and is now a classic Adidas tennis shoe. Moving on to the materials, of course we got a leather upper, which is very smooth. It feels like vinyl. We also have a rubber outsole that houses the EVA foam midsole. Onto the features, on the side of the shoe we got the Adidas lettering in silver and the logo in scarlet. On the tongue we have more hits of silver with the logo, as well as the silver logo on the back tab. On the toe box we do have some perforations for breathability. Onto the side of the shoe we have a scarlet and navy stripe that looks really good, and below that we have more perforations. Like I mentioned, the shoe has an EVA midsole, which is exposed in the middle on both sides. Also, the shoe does feature a cup sole, and on the rear cup we have the Adidas logo surrounded by a kind of elephant print on the rubber. At the bottom of the shoe we have kind of a circular pattern along with some stripes, and of course the Adidas logo textured in the middle. Overall, just a really nice minimalist classic tennis shoe from Adidas. I love the small details like the stripes on the side and the diagonal perforations. Also, I think the hits of silver are a really nice touch. So that's pretty much all you need to know about the shoe. Let's get these on feet. On feet, these felt a bit weird because the arch felt a bit more pressed up than other shoes. Could have just been my shoe, I'm not sure. But after wearing them for a few hours, I really just got used to it and stopped noticing it. Also, these do fit true to size. I love the cream color of these shoes, and the small hits of other colors, it really helps make it pop. And these go with everything, so you really can't go wrong with these shoes. They can complement any outfit and they just look super clean. Anyways, that's really going to be it for me, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video, as it helps out the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.